Hi there, food enthusiasts! Today, I'm sharing a delightful recipe for buttery sauteed potatoes that are bursting with flavor. Start with some baby potatoes, red, yellow, or a mix, and cut them into halves or quarters for even cooking. No need to peel, we love that rustic charm, but give them a good wash. Place the potatoes in a pot of salted water and bring it to a boil. I cooked mine for about 10 minutes. Now, heat a large skillet over medium heat and add a generous knob of butter. Once the butter is melted, add your parboiled potatoes, smoked paprika, and a sprinkle of Italian seasoning. Cook on medium heat for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the potatoes are golden brown and crispy on the edges. Now you're going to add a touch of honey for a bit of sweetness that complements the savory flavors perfectly. Transfer the potatoes to a serving dish and sprinkle generously with crumbled feta cheese and fresh parsley. Finish with a squeeze of lemon juice for a bright, zesty kick, and there you have it. Sauteed potatoes that are tender on the inside, crispy on the outside, and packed with layers of delicious flavors. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!